To set up content, go into a module where you want the content, go to the plus, and then choose the content type. For a PDF file, choose File. If the PDF has already been loaded in the class, you should be able to find it in the list. If it was not loaded, you'll need to go to New File. Once you've chosen New File, you can go down here and choose File, which will open up your Content Manager. Find the PDF and open it. Then add the item. That will create a PDF file which the students can access. If you want to create an assignment where the students can upload a PDF, go to the plus. This time choose Assignment. If you haven't created the assignment, choose New Assignment. Give it a name. And add item. Now go into this assignment and set it up. Start by clicking on Edit. Provide any directions or information you want them to have here. Provide a point value. You can put it into an assignment group. Under submission type, if they're going to upload a file, you want to say online. Choose File Uploads. If you're going to check for plagiarism, you can activate that here. Fill out any other information and then save. If I go back to modules, so here's the PDF I uploaded, and here's where they will turn in their assignment. And I can publish this. If I want this PDF linked directly to the assignment, I could go back into the assignment, go to Edit, and I could link my PDF in the direction box in this informational area. If I click on it, and I need to find my menu system, which is either to the right or scroll all the way down. If it's a PDF, it's a file, so I'll go to File and find the one that I just uploaded or one that I want to use. Click on it and it'll put a link to it. And then I can save. And it'll be a link that the students can click on. So if I go back to modules, so this assignment is a place where they can upload a file and it has my PDF in it as an example. So if I were to click on it, the students will see the PDF that they can click on to access. If you want to look at that specifically, you can go to the Home button. Then on the right or down at the bottom, choose Student View. Now I'm in the Student View. Go to the assignment. And this is how it appears to the student. So they can choose my PDF and view it, and they can submit their assignment here.